Hello and welcome back to another video. And today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create admin panel user interface using AI. And this is totally free. You don't need to do any coding here and you don't have to pay for the AI. So the AI we are using here is OpenCode. So we are going to download OpenCode CLI and we are going to install it in our PC. And we are going to give it a prompt so that it can actually create the project for us. This is really simple. I will show you the step-by-step process. So don't skip the video. At first, you have to check that if you have Node.js installed in your PC or not. What you have to do, you have to go for the command prompt. So cmd, open it and type node-v. And if you find the version, it means you have installed Node.js successfully. And if you don't see this, what you have to do, you have to actually download Node.js in your PC at first. So go for the Node.js org and here you will click here download, and then it will actually take you to the download page. Then select LTS long-term support version and download.msi, and then you just have to install it in your PC. And after that, if you go for the cmd and type node-v, you will get this version. Now we got Node.js in our PC. Now we have to actually download and install OpenCode CLI. So we can actually directly install OpenCode CLI through a command. For this, we have to actually go for OpenCode CLI GitHub. And if you search it, then you should find a link that is github.com Anomalico OpenCode. So basically, you will find here a bunch of different links here you can see. Go with this one, Anomalico. And sometimes the name will be changed, but not a big issue. Just open the link and check that if you scroll a little bit down here, you will find OpenCode screenshot. Here you can see and the installation process. Here you can see we have npm command. So what you can do is you can actually copy this command from here and go to the command prompt and open the command prompt as administrator. And right click on it to paste it. Here you can see npm i-g OpenCode-AI latest. So basically, this command will actually install OpenCode interface globally. Here you can say -g means globally and the latest version also. Now, if you hit enter, then it will actually start installing. I already installed it in my PC. Let me show you. If I say here OpenCode version -version, it will show me OpenCode current version, which one is actually installed in my PC. Here you can see I got the version. It means I have installed it in my PC. Now you can actually open OpenCode here, but I love to actually keep OpenCode. I love to separate my project, all the project. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go to the drive. Let's say I want to go to this web technology drive, and here actually I want to create a project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say here a new project. So I'll click here new folder, and here I'll say admin panel, right? PANEL panel -AI. So this is my project. So I'm going to go inside the project or folder. Here in the address bar, I'm going to say cmd command prompt and I'm going to hit enter. On the other hand, you can actually right click on it and you will find open terminal here. So open terminal here basically, okay? This folder. Currently I am in admin panel UI AI folder. So here I'm going to open OpenCode. Hit enter because I have installed OpenCode globally, right? So I can open this OpenCode AI or CLI from anywhere in my PC. Alright, so this is the OpenCode, and here I have to say that what actually I want to do. So it's good that you can actually generate a prompt through any GPT, let's say ChatGPT, Gemini, or DeepSeek, or any other GPT, okay, chatbot. So what I have to do, you have to actually give here manually a prompt, otherwise you can generate a prompt. So let's go to the browser and generate a prompt at first, okay? So I'll go with the chatgpt.com. Now here I'm going to paste it and I'm going to say that I want to create this using OpenCode, okay? So basically how many pages you need in the admin panel, you can actually mention it. On the other hand, what you can do is you can initially create the project at first, and then if you need any page or anything, you can actually ask here, okay, manually. So it will actually create for you. All right, now we need a good prompt, so we are going to actually ask for a prompt basically here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is should have animation. Okay, so now give a prompt. Okay, yeah, I will hit enter to generate the prompt. You may actually give here more information, but it just tutorial purpose. So yeah, I will actually go with this, and here you can see it give us a prompt, right? So you have to go through this prompt, and if you like this, then you can actually continue this. Otherwise, you can actually regenerate this prompt. So this is for tutorial purpose. I'm not going to actually make this video more longer, so I'm going to go with this one. So I'll copy this, and I'm going to go back to the open code, and here I'm going to paste it. So I'm using Windows currently, so I'm going to say here Ctrl+V to paste it. Here you can see paste. You can actually right click on it and paste it. So this is not possible, and that is the reason actually you have to press Ctrl+V to paste it. Okay, all right, here you can see pasted approximately 109 lines. Now we'll hit enter, and it will complete the whole project for us. We just have to wait for the completion, project completion. Okay, that's it. So as you can see, it created the project for us. Now let's go back to the folder where we have this. So we are going to go to this PC, and here in the web technology, we have this folder, right? Admin panel. Now here you can see we got index and login.html, and we have all the pages inside it. Here you can see dashboard, profile, and all the things. And the assets, we have CSS, then JS, then images also. All right, there is no image because it cannot actually generate image. All right, so yeah, that's it. Now we are going to open this. So index.html, let's just double click on it, and let's open it always. There we go. And you can see it redirecting to the login page. So here you can see AI panel. There is also bubble animation here you can see. So yeah, so if you want to add here, more login process, let's say Facebook and all the other things, you can actually ask for it. Okay, so basically it's just a design project. So we are going to focus on the design. And now if I go here, you can see this is inside pages, right? So we are going to say here login. We are going to say here pages. Okay, pages slash. Here you can see all the pages. Now if I go to the dashboard, let's check how dashboard will look like. Here we go. We got a nice dashboard here, you can see. All right, and these are all animated here, you can see. And we can actually, oh wow, we can actually change the mood also. This is really cool. Here you can see have logout button also. Wow. And we have wow bro, this is totally professional, right? All right, now you can actually complete this whole design into a PHP project, let's say. Okay, so we'll actually show you in our next video, but now in this video I'm going to check all the pages at first. Here you can see, wow, we got nice animation, bro. I'm happy with this design, really. And yes, all right, so this is how actually you can create cool professional websites or project what you actually want to make. So guys, I hope you understand how you can actually create project through this free open code CLI. If this video helps you, make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. And in our next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually convert this project into a PHP project, and we'll actually work with the database also. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.